Right, welcome to lesson 4 of Flask tutorial, and in this lesson we are going to see how to upload files in our Flask application. So over the course of this guide we've been able to see how to use the requests objects and the render template objects. So if you want to upload a file or you want to do anything that has to that involves you taking a file from a user, this is how you can do this. You would define the routes, and in our routes we named our route upload, and let me expand this, and we define the method which is post, since we are taking something from the request body, hence we have to use the post method. Then we have to define our function, and within our function we called the function upload file, and in the function we are checking if the request is post. If it is post, we are taking a file, we are taking the file from the user or from the request body, and we are taking that file and storing it in a variable called f. And after that we have to check if the file name is empty, then we will throw an error that no file has been selected, and we'll throw a 400 status code error. But if the file is not empty, we will save the file within a documents folder which we have defined on our project, within a documents folder plus the name of the file, and we would return a message that says file uploaded successfully, whilst giving a status 200 error, which shows that the error was successful. But if we have any trouble while making a request to this route or to this function, for example, we decide to use a get or a put or a patch method that was not defined in the route, we will throw an error that says method not allow, a 405 error. So this is the code on how to handle your how to handle file uploads for a basic Flask application. Let us run application and see if this works. So run application python app.py. So python app.py, and we would be accessing the upload route, and we head over to Postman and we enter our URL. Now we are going to first of all try to trigger the errors. So we are going to use a get method to send a request to the route, and we should see 405 method not allowed. To see a final view, you can hit on the preview and you should be able to see a final view, but it will still say method not allowed. Let's try doing the puts, and it should still say method not allowed. Now let's use a post method, but we are not sending anything in the request body. We should see bad error. The browser or proxy sent a request that this server could not understand. It does not have any file, it does not have any key error called file. If we click on form data, remember within our application we said that the name, the key of the value that we are taking in the request body is file. So you can copy the file, head over here, add file as the key, and you click here for file. So this should let you select a file, and in this file we would be selecting, let me look for a PDF. Okay, we'll be selecting this, and we have added our file. Then let's hit on send request, and it says file uploaded successfully. If we head back to our application and we open our documents, we should see the file that we sent through our request body, which is this. So this is how you can handle files, or you can upload files in your Flask application. If you found this video helpful, do also like, subscribe, and comment, and see you in the next Flask tutorial. Ciao.